Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix speaker issue on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. First, go to Settings and open Sound and Haptics. Scroll down and tap on Headphone Safety. Here, you'll see the option Reduce Loud Audio. If it's turned off, make sure to turn it on. This often fixes the problem. If the issue is still not solved, go back to Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. In the Hearing section, open Audio and Visual. Make sure Mono Audio is turned on. If that doesn't work, go to Background Sounds and check the option Use when media is playing. Keep this turned on as well. Finally, make sure your iPhone isn't on silent mode. If the silent switch is on, turn it off. This could be the reason for your volume problem. And that's it. Your speaker issue on the iPhone 16 Pro Max should now be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.